My name is Sarah and I'm studying a level 3 food and drink maintenance engineering course. So far we've been studying electrical work, fluid power, which is quite interesting. Learned a lot about how to program stuff, PLCs, anything that we're going to send power through, and electric circuit boards. So far my favourite part will probably be the hands-on experience I've got in the factory room, having been able to use metal lathes and machinery and welding as well. So after finishing the apprenticeship I'm hoping to go on to further studies, probably university course, get a degree, because the company will send me through it all. So they've been amazing. They've helped us, gone through thick and thin for us. One of the tutors actually spent his time off to mark his exams, to make sure that they were done for the next time we were in college. And usually we did the exams on Friday, we had results for us by Monday. But yeah, they've supported us so well in whichever way we go in and with all his work. So the PMC centre's really good, worthwhile, because it's got high of the top range equipment that we get to use, and the PLCs that we get to use and study will help us work when we do go to work.